Jim Wendt. I'm with the Mike Morse Law Firm. I love the people I work with. I love helping the clients out, and I love winning. We win a lot. If I had my ultimate dream, I'd be a professional fisherman. Something I'm very proud of is I'm super proud of my brother and the man that he has become. He has a great job, a great family. I know he always looked up to me. I'm super proud of him. I think it would be cool to meet one of our presidents once, you know, kind of ask them about the job that they do and the pressures that they have. I love going to breweries, do a lot of beer sampling in my free time, and going along with the fisherman theme, I do a lot of fishing. I love the toughness of the people in this particular area. Michigan's great because you can basically see everything here. We have waterfalls here. We have these awesome lakes. I don't like winter so much, but I do like the seasons. The spring, fall, and summer are great. My favorite quote is probably, "Shoot for the moon. If you miss, you'll land among the stars." Not sure who it's from, but I think it's a great quote. I'm a super hardworking person. One of my weaknesses personally is that I never leave my job. I'm constantly working. I think my wife is great and she's okay with that, but I'm gonna work hard for you. Seeing people's lives come back together in times of just desperation, that is the best part, is bringing it all back together and getting them help in a time of extreme need.